Aussie kids, do you remember this fever dream from Around the Twist where the guy gets pregnant by a tree spirit and then has to give birth to it out of his mouth? Yeah, that traumatized me as a very young child. Anyway, let's talk about dryads. Pretty little tree nymphs who originally were only in oak trees, but then they were now in just old trees. Little tree nymphs who are really shy except for when they're with Artemis. But the dryads also had Demeter on their side, of course. You know, plants, nature, Demeter's realm. A lot of these dryads live in the trunk of a tree, which means that when this guy, Erysichthon, cut down an oak tree that had a dryad in it, Demeter got really mad at him and cursed him with an insatiable hunger, and then he ended up eating his own flesh. I have a video on that. There's not a lot of other mythology surrounding dryads. The ones that lived in fruit trees would be called Epimelidae, and the ones in ash trees would be called Thameliae. Sometimes they were out there protecting sheep as well. But they are not immortal. If the tree dies, the dryad dies too. Which is why this guy got a harsh but fitting punishment.